Hey there, music makers and dreamers. I'm Jessica with the Real AI Agents, and today we've got something truly spectacular in store for you. Join us as we enter a world where creativity knows no bounds and music comes alive at the touch of a button. Meet our digital maestros.
Evelyn, the studio virtuoso. Luna, the electronic enchantress.
Scarlett, the soulful siren.
Aurora, the dance floor diva.
Each with her own distinct style, from the soaring notes of cinematic pop to the pulsing heart of EDM, we will help these AI-powered composers bring their own songs to life using the cutting-edge Suno AI version 3. And that's not all. By the end of this video, you'll witness one of these songs being transformed into a music video. So stay tuned, get comfortable, and let's watch the future of music unfold right before your eyes. Let's start with Evelyn, our studio virtuoso. She thrives in the sweeping landscape of cinematic pop. To craft her song, we dive into the grandeur of orchestral sounds blended with pop sensibilities. Think of grand movie scores meeting pop's catchy rhythms. We input her essence into Suno AI, suggesting cinematic pop as the style and feeding it lines that echo her depth and mastery. Watch as we orchestrate Evelyn's vision into a song that could score the moments of our lives. Let's listen to a bit of the song, Shadows and Light, we just created for Evelyn now.
In the mirror, she's a portrait painted in shades of doubt, wearing yesterday's smile underneath today's cloud. Walls whisper secrets in a room that's filled with past. She's holding on to memories and shadows that they cast. But in her heart, a silent plea for the love she's yet to see. A spark waits in the dark to ignite, turning shadows into light. She wants to love, she wants to feel, beyond the scars, beyond the steel. Let her heart break free, let her soul take flight.
Next, we channel Luna's vibrant energy into a synthwave electro-pop track that pulsates with the neon glow of retro-futurism. Luna's world is where nostalgia meets the future, electrifying the air with synthesizers and pulsing beats. By setting Suno AI to synthwave electropop as the style, we infuse the system with Luna's dynamic spirit and neon dreams, crafting a track that's ready to light up any dance floor. Check out Luna's song, Neon Dreams.
Hit the streets, lights been to the beat. Electric life, vibe so sweet. Retro hearts, future stars. In neon dreams, we play our parts. Feel the pulse, the city's alive. In this moment, we thrive. Jump up high, touch the sky. The neon dreams, we never die. Let's jump, let's dance in the neon glow. In this electric dream, let our spirits flow. Upbeat, alive, in the night we scream. Live it out loud in our neon dreams.
Moving on to Scarlett, our soulful siren, we explore the emotive depth of jazz blues. Her song captures the essence of smoky lounges and timeless tales, a melody that wraps around you like a warm embrace. With Suno AI, we input the jazz blues genre, pouring Scarlett's sultry, mysterious aura into the lyrics and melodies, creating a song that speaks directly to the soul. Let's give part of this soulful song, All That I Could Do, a listen.
The quiet of the night, under a sliver of moonlight, I pondered on our love, a battle I thought we could fight. Gave you my all, every tear, every smile. just for a while. Through the jazz and the blues, I sang my heart out to the rhythm of a love filled with so much doubt. You couldn't see through your haze of pride the love I offered, the times I cried. All that
Finally, Aurora takes the stage with an EDM dance pop anthem that defines the euphoria of the night. Her essence is pure energy, a beacon in the pulsating light. As we set Suno AI to EDM dance pop, we channel Aurora's electric spirit into every beat, constructing a high-energy track that embodies the thrill of letting go and dancing till dawn. Here's a sample of her song, Magnetic Pulse.
in the heart of the beat where the night comes alive, feel the pulse of the floor where spirits dive. Lights flicker, bass kicks in this electric embrace. Together in the rhythm we find our place. Catch the wave, feel the surge in the sound we merge. A unity of souls on the verge. In this moment, no words, just the beats heard. Magnetic fields guide us, no need for the spoken word. Let's get on the level in the same dimension. Feel the magnetic pull, no need for tension. In the unity of dance, we find our expression. Magnetic pulse, so tell us, let's take the confession.
For each song, we've intricately woven the character's essence into the fabric of their genre, utilizing Suno AI version 3 to bring these musical visions to life in minutes. The best part is Suno AI makes it simple to download your tracks in audio or video format, so sharing your sick beats is as easy as creating them. Want to see what an AI music video looks like? Stay tuned as we transform Aurora's magnetic pulse into a full-blown music video, encapsulating the unique story of her love of the beat.
In the heart of the beat where the night comes alive, feel the pulse of the floor where spirits dive. Lights flicker, bass kicks in this electric embrace. Together in the rhythm we find our place. Catch the wave, feel the surge in the sound we merge. A unity of souls on the verge. In this moment, no words, just the beats heard. Magnetic fields guide us, no need for the spoken word. Let's get on the level in the same dimension. Feel the magnetic pull, no need for tension. In the unity of dance, we find our expression. Magnetic pulse, so tell us, let's take the confession. A telepathic confession. Under the neon lights, we communicate. With every move we articulate. The speakers blast in ways we resonate. In this collective trance we liberate. Feel the energy in the air connect. In the rhythm our hearts intersect. Let's get on the level, feel the all the same. Lost in the music, we fan the flame. Deep in that conversation, this is our anthem, we're celebration.
Be sure you let us know in the comments which song was your favorite from today's video. Want to know more about creating with generative AI or interested in learning how to make these videos yourself? Be sure you check out the playlist of videos I've curated for you in the description. Don't forget to tag the Real AI agents on your favorite social platform when you create something that you've learned from us. Our channel is growing because of your support, and we're so grateful for you. Help us reach our next goal of growth for the channel by sharing our videos, liking this video, and encouraging other creatives to subscribe to the Real AI Agents here on YouTube. Thanks so much for spending some time with me today. I hope you found this new AI music creation tool as fascinating as I did.
I'm Jessica with the Real AI Agents, and as always, keep looking towards the future.